Looking for some easy ways to add value to your home? Today in Ask Angie, we walk through some quick projects that can improve the value of your home.
When thinking about how to increase the value of your home, kitchen remodels and roof replacements are probably the first projects that come to mind. However, you don't need to spend weeks or months renovating to increase the value of your home. Mallory Meistisch, a home care expert at Angie, shares easy home projects that have high ROIs.
Looking for a quick project to help increase the value of your home? Look no further than your living room. Living rooms make a big impact when people are thinking about buying a home, and things like painting that room or adding an accent wall have a really nice return on that investment. For a couple gallons of paint and maybe some sweat equity, you can get about a 53% return on your investment.
And don't forget about the impact lighting can have on potential buyers. Updating your living room's lighting is a quick project that can make a big difference when your house is on the market. If your living room does not get a lot of natural light, add in a few light sources throughout the space to liven it up.
If you're looking for another project that can add to your home's value, look no further than your windows. They might not be something that buyers immediately think about, but the impact windows make is pretty big, both in terms of your home's energy efficiency and the overall aesthetic and look of your home. Window projects can take days or maybe around a week, but are a great way to kind of increase your value. The average return on a window project is upwards of 68%.
And while you're at it, consider replacing your entry doors too. The entire project can be completed in one day and can help reduce your energy bills, especially if you live in a cold climate. For the highest return on your investment, choose durable, aesthetically pleasing doors.
And lastly, if you're looking for one more project that is always going to add value to your home and provide great ROI, consider your garage door. A new garage door replacement is only going to take a couple of hours or a day with the right pro and is going to drive about 94% ROI. Additionally, new garage doors are going to be durable, they are going to be more long-lasting, and they're going to help maintain climate control in your garage space.
Do you have questions about your home projects? We'll tweet them using hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.